That was cool. But it's kind of getting dark out now.
Yeah. Maybe we should head in?
Oh, please. I'm getting eaten alive.
You must taste sweet.
You know it.
Oh my God, would you two just stop being so ugh? Okay, guys, let's just chill for a bit. Swan's gonna make us a fire.
But I want to make the fire.
Nuh-uh, pyromaniac.
Cat! Hi.
Swan and Cat wanted us to, literally move into that gross old cabin.
Neither of us wanted to go home. What else should we do tonight? You always have the best ideas.
Aw, thanks. We should really play Truth or Dare. But let's wait till it's dark.
What? Oh, let's play now.
Nah, dude. I want to chill and listen to music.
I haven't played Truth or Dare before.
Seriously? Never been to a slumber party.
We did camping overnights in Scouts, but that's kind of different.
No mean stuff, guys. I hate when shit gets mean. Especially with truths, Nora.
Whatever. I already know all your secrets anyway.
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's get this fire going.
Dare.
I dare you to give yourself a hickey.
Lame. Ugh, boring.
Okay. I dare you to give Nora a hickey.
What?
Oh.
Easy. Ow. Ew. Dude.
Wow. Impressive.
You're welcome.
Nora's next.
Truth.
Boo. Pick Dare.
What? What? No way.
Fine. If you had to be handcuffed to one of us forever, Who would you pick?
Seriously? I don't know. Do any of you snore when you sleep?
How would we know?
She's picking cat. No question.
If I had to be handcuffed to one of you forever, I'd pick cat.
What?
Better you than me. Swan, you're next. Truth or dare?
Oh my God. It always stressed me the hell out. You were after all the hot tea that night.
I mean, is it even truth or dare without some skeletons in the closet?
Even mine. It surprised me, though. I still wasn't used to people taking interest in me like that. You asked me for my deepest fear.
Come on, come on. Tell us.
Maybe I'm just being dramatic, but like...
You're not dramatic. Just spit it out.
Give her a second.
Sorry.
I'm afraid that no one will ever love me.
Swan.
Not even your parents?
Well, yeah, but they won't be around forever.
We love you.
True.
Yeah.
I guess I didn't think about how friends could love each other. So, I love all of you, too. Thanks.
So cheer up. It's your turn. Ooh, pick me.
Pick me. I haven't gotten a dare from you yet.
I bet Swan's dares are freaky.
Oh my God. Or a buff in the house.
Cat, truth or dare?
Dare.
Let us read your diary.
Seriously? So none of your beeswax.
Uh-oh.
But whatever.
I double dog dare you. Let's see it.
Fine. A dare is a dare.
Spill your dirty secrets.
I won't look if you don't want me to.
I don't care.
You sure?
Take it. Swan can do the honors.
Okay. I instantly regretted it.
So awkward.
We should have known better. She just wasn't ready to open up to us like that. That's enough.
I like your poems, Cat.
Me too.
My turn.
Yep. Go.
Autumn.
Ugh. Mystery drinks up.
You ready?
No pinching your nose.
Yeah, we know that trick.
And you have to keep it down to count.
I was born ready.
We'll see.
Bottoms up!
Bottoms up.
Truth or dare? Come on, pick dare. Truths are boring.
Truth.
Ugh, I can't even think of one.
I've got it. Tell us about your first kiss.
Good one.
My pillow?
Me too. Honestly.
I don't know. I haven't kissed anyone, really.
You should totally kiss one of us.
What?
It's like a crime to be unkissed at 16.
That's not cool. Don't pressure her.
I'm not.
Who do you think's the best kisser? That's the question.
Ugh, come on. Let's do a dare. I'm sick of talking.
No, this is gonna be good.
Oh, yeah. Tell us one.
Can I pass? I already answered my truth.
Ugh, shut up, Nora.
I know. I didn't know what to say. As awkward as ever.
Hey, that's what I like about you. Stay true to yourself.
Oh, God. My dares got stupider the more I drank. Oh, there was that one with Kat.
Strap! Strap! Strap!
Nora is way too excited about this.
Take it off!
Ugh, shut up. I'm doing it. Fuck.
Oh, poor cat. I was just a ball of hormones exploding all over her.
I thought she might dislocate something.
Woo!
Oh,
Yeah!
What?
nothing. I mean, I had one just like that.
I think it's pretty.
Yeah! Itty bitty titty go!
Ugh, who cares?
I'm positive that her mother bought her that thing.
Don't look. Gotta get it back on.
I peeked.
Nora!
Boundaries.
Terrible.
I, had a lot of growing up to do.
What else happened? I feel like we're missing something important.
It was Kat.
Here. Use my pen instead.
Boring.
I'm not gonna be the one cleaning up the mess.
Yeah, don't stab yourself. Ugh, I hate blood.
Relax. I'm good with my hands.
Let's see how fast you can go. Ready? Countdown. 3, 2, 1.
And then, what happened? What do you remember, Nora?
I got nothing.
Really? You look like something's on your mind.
So, why are you obsessing over the details so much?
Nor, I know it's a lot, but we might be missing something important here. It's been 27 years, y'all. Why now?
Because we made a promise.
So why break it now? We need your help, Nor. if we're gonna figure this out.
It's in the past.
Please, Nora. We were best friends. What happened?
You can't keep running from the past when things get serious, Nora.
I'm just trying to keep things light, okay? Is that so bad?
Please, please, can we just drive somewhere and throw this package off a cliff or something? We can be done with it.
I don't know. I think we open it when we're all ready.
Those moths. Wait. I just remembered something. I usually slept deeply, too. But something woke me up that night. And Kat was just gone.
Oh, God. That's right.
Kat? Huh? Kat! You there? Are those moths? Kat? There were these glowing moths. I wish I had shot some footage of them. I'd never seen anything like it. Kat! 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 Kat?
You, think she went towards the lake?
I thought she might. She used to go there to be alone. What's that? Whoa. I knew that path. we'd been there before. Cat? Are you out here? Cat?
You scared them.
Cat! Jeezo! I was looking for you.
Welcome.
Shit. I thought I knew this place.
We do.
We made our blood pact here. And signed the curse.
Yeah. I knew you'd remember. Hey, you should film this. No way the others will believe us otherwise. I mean, it wasn't like this before.
You mean before you wrote the curse?
Yeah. Our curse. Swan, come on, record this. The others need to see.
It was hard to see. That camcorder was all I had to help. Okay, I've got some footage. This place is something. I don't know what this is, but it definitely wasn't here before.
Yeah. I feel like I'm on the edge of a dream. You know the feeling when your stomach drops? Like, whoosh.
Yeah.
Bet it'd feel crazy like that. Jumping in. What do you think's down there?
Pandemonium.
And anarchy? Sign me up. Swan?
Yes?
I'll never forget this. Everything that's happened tonight.
You hear something?
What was that? What?
Where are they?
Is something...
Hey! Wait up!
We're over here.
Hey,
Hey. What's going on?
What the fuck?
You guys are seeing this too, right? Yeah.
Fuck.
You scared?
No?
Yes?
This isn't happening.
What the hell? Wish I had 9 lives. I bet a cat could jump down there and land on her feet. Wasn't this place empty? We were sitting right here, in the middle.
Oh god. Oh god. Maybe I'm crazy, but is this our fault?
Because we sealed our curse here.
No way. That shit's not real. We were just screwing around. I know. It's a sinkhole. Our blood ritual. Maybe it worked. I thought I felt something. Really?
This is fucking weird, you guys.
I knew I felt something here. I'm sure it's the curse. I'm sure of it. We summoned this, so we should, give it something. And maybe, it'll give us something back?
Whoa. You mean you want to throw something down there?
Yeah.
Like a gift? Maybe. That's kind of nice.
Let's do it. Let's ask it for something. I'll go first.
Cat.
Think I'd fall? I bring a gift. I seek your guidance. Abyss. Everyone thinks they know what's best for me. But they don't. I deserve revenge. I'm fucking dying here. Get me out. Get me out. Get us out. Here.
Hey. If I told you guys that my wish came true, would you believe me?
Dude, that was just last night. Wishes don't come true that fast. But what if?
Huh? What's that?
Let me see. You didn't say the magic word. Please. Pretty please with sugar on top. Read him and weep.
You won the tickets!
What?
Oh my god!
we're going to see Bikini Kill live in Seattle. Can you fucking believe it?
Holy shit! Dude! Yes!
I know. Things are finally going right for me. Ever since we found that place.
It's because of your amazing poems. You crushed it.
Thanks.
I'm freaking out!
The show's in September. We just gotta find a way to get there.
Why is he here?
Hey, party's over.
Fuck off.
Great.
Not again.
Jeez.
What's up, dykes? You just gonna stare? I don't mind.
What is there to stare at?
Oh, look who it is. You never sent me that tape, kid. What gives?
I could have gotten fired over your bullshit stunt. Just go away.
What's your problem?
You.
Cool. Whatever. Your dad sent me to get you, Kat.
If he wants me home so bad, he can come and get me himself.
Better pack up. Now.
Go to hell.
What?
You're not my boss. I'm fucking sick of your bullshit.
Fuck, Kat. Take it up with your dad. We talked about this.
You're such an ass kisser. Do my dad's boots taste good?
No, that's not me. Now you better come along.
Bet you'd suck his dick.
I wasn't talking to you. You dumb bitch.
Fuck off already.
Dylan doesn't want us to fight.
Like I give a shit.
Tell her dad you couldn't find her.
Stay out of this, freak.
We're not letting you take her.
This doesn't involve you.
Hey, fuck off!
You know, I gotta ask. What's with all the makeup? You look like a fucking whore.
What? Me next? A gift. I want to be famous. Like rock star famous. And, I want us to stick together forever. And if anyone tries to stop us, they can go fuck themselves. Oh, and I wish for all of us to get an infinity of wishes, too. You're outnumbered, tough guy. Leave us alone, or we will kick your fucking ass.
You know what? Fuck this! I'm on the clock. Get on the fucking bike, Kat.
Just tell Dad I'm not coming home. Or are you too stupid?
Leave her alone! She can do what she wants!
Shut up! Did you forget that your dad's my fucking boss? You think I want to be babysitting you? I'm not here for fun.
As if we care.
Oh, you. Dean told me all about you. Guess it wasn't worth a second go.
Nah. I'm not doing this. Whatever this thing is, I don't trust it. Not yet. You wanna know my dreams? You gotta give me something first. Tell me something. How deep do you go? Listen. Huh? Did you say something? I can't hear you. I don't listen to fucking losers.
we're done here. And by the way, Dean couldn't even get it up. Bet you have that in common. Birds of a feather, right?
Who can blame him? Okay, Kat, I'm sick of talking to your dumb friends. Time to go. You don't want your dad pissed at you.
I'm not afraid of my dad. That's you. Wouldn't want to mess up your grand plan.
What are you on about now?
You want the ranch. I heard what you said to Dylan.
You're out of line. You know, someone ought to teach you a lesson.
I'd like to see you try.
Whoa! Hey, Swan, film him. We can report him for attempted kidnapping.
Don't you dare! I don't give a shit! Turn it off! Fatty!
What the fuck?
No!
What?
Dude!
What the hell?
Rolling!
I thought you loved being filmed.
Shut up, you dumb bitch!
I'm not gonna hold back. For the hurt, the harassment, and the harm that you did. I have a wish. Abyss, I bring a gift. I seek your guidance. I wish to be free. Like moths shedding our cocoons. And instead of being drawn into the flame, we make it ours so that nothing can keep us apart. From here on out. Forever.
Treasures we hide here and there, the ashes of love, the signals of hate.
Just get on the bike.
No!
Move it!
No!
Corey,
What?
you made a big mistake. Now go.
We have